Yeah, so this new album will be my 8th traditional album. It's always a big challenge to stay very true to the tradition, but also to try and push the boundaries really and to break new ground. It's really a very fine line, and my mind is racing at the moment with the amount of different directions we can take it in. We want to make something that really stands out and captures centuries of traditional Irish music, and hopefully in a way that it hasn't been done before. And of course, I want everyone to come along on this journey with me and see where it might lead us. There's beauty in all the different styles of pieces we put down, but of course many people associate the whistle with that beautiful flowing, faster music that we can, I suppose, achieve in the jigs and some of the reels. And of course there will be many sets on the album which will be very upbeat and very exciting. And yeah, looking at many different possibilities with sets of reels and jigs in that format. But yeah, I suppose I'll give you a quick listen to one of the reels that crossed my mind during the week. It's a tune that I've been playing for many years, but I've never recorded, and always particularly liked this reel. It's a lovely flowing reel, I suppose, particularly for the whistle. And just going to hear what it sounds like on the D whistle now in the Wild Irish. It's a lovely flowing piece, so here we go. Yeah, so there you go, that lovely flowing sound, which just seems so easy to achieve on these whistles. So again, looking forward to getting some nice sets of reels and jigs down in the studio as we go forward. It's going to be wonderful, it really is. Looking forward to it.